Hello students. So in the today's section we are going to talk about class 6 chapter number 2, and the topic we are going to discuss our balanced diet. So what is the balanced diet? So it provides all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantity along with the adequate amount of roughage and water. So, what is the balanced diet actually is? It is the combination of food items which are required by our body so that all the nutrients get to our body. And why is cooking important? Do you all think about this any of the time? Why mama cook food in the morning, in the evening? Why don't they give you raw food material? Why they cook it? So the reason is here. We cook food to make it digestible and make it tasty. And cooking also kills germs that may be present in food. If we eat up germs, then we get ill. So it's very important to kill that germs also. And the second thing, that we can't eat too much of food and too much of fats like fried food or sweets, because and it can also be avoided. So the reason for this is that increases the body weight, and if this condition continues, then we get the obesity. Okay, we get obese of this. Now the second things we talk are the about the diet is that having a diet in which we lack some of the nutrients, then it causes deficiency in the body, and this occurs when we did not use any one of the nutrients for a longer period of time. So what is a deficiency disease? So the disease that are caused due to the deficiency of nutrients, and if we are not taking it for a longer time, then it causes that disease. Okay, and how we can cure this or how we prevent it? So by using, okay, so these diseases have various symptoms according to the nutrients. Okay, and this condition can be this overcome by having a balanced diet. And what is balanced diet? We talked in our previous points. So what is the balanced diet? Which have all the nutrients in it. So let's talk about some of the deficiency diseases which our class has. So just a second. Okay, now it's visible. So first one is vitamin A, and its sources are green leafy vegetables, fruits, butter, and its functions to keep our eyes and hair healthy. But if we does not take it, then we get dryness of eyes and improper vision, and this is known as the night blindness. Then vitamin B1, its sources are eggs, whole grains, sprouts, and it aids in digestion, maintains our nervous system, and if we does not take this for a longer period of time, then inflammation of nerves occurs, digestive problem occurs, heart abnormality occurs, and we get beriberi. Now there is a B2, that is eggs, milk, and green leafy vegetables, and it keeps our skin and mouth healthy, and if it does not take it, we have skin disorders. It's like such, if it doesn't take B12, it causes anemia. If it doesn't take vitamin C, it causes scurvy. And if it doesn't take vitamin D, we got rickets. And if it doesn't take vitamin K, we got hemorrhagia. So here is our chapter number 2, which is ended here also. And you also got the handwritten notes of this very section after a day, and I posted it here also, and you got that handwritten notes in the form of PDF and also in the form of picture. So thank you for now. Bye bye.